Are you interested in crypto investments but don't have the time or desire to dive into charts and complex trading strategies? Bramridge Trust offers you a smarter alternative. Using advanced AI technology, the entire trading process is automated, from market analysis to decision-making and execution. This allows you to save valuable time while still participating in the crypto market. Registration takes just a few minutes, and you can get started right away. By signing up through the link provided, you can also access an exclusive welcome bonus. Bramridge Trust goes far beyond a traditional trading platform. It is an innovative investment solution designed specifically for users in Canada. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader looking to automate your strategy, the platform is built to be intuitive, accessible, and easy to use. The technology behind Bramridge Trust operates 24/7, continuously analyzing market data to identify opportunities at an early stage. Strategies are dynamically adjusted to reflect current market conditions, ensuring efficient and timely responses. Users can customize their settings according to their financial goals and risk tolerance. No advanced expertise required. Once configured, the AI independently manages and optimizes your portfolio. The bonus is automatically activated when registering through the official link. One of the platform's key advantages is its adaptive AI. Unlike traditional rule-based systems, it continuously learns from new data and evolving market conditions. Decisions are driven by data rather than emotion, ensuring a consistent and objective investment approach, similar to having a digital financial advisor working for you around the clock. Security is also a top priority. Bramridge Trust adheres to standard KYC and AML regulations and uses advanced encryption technologies to safeguard both user data and funds. All information is stored within a secure cloud infrastructure. The onboarding process is simple, and responsive customer support is available to assist you at every step, making it ideal for those seeking a smooth and hassle-free experience. Once activated, the system runs fully automated. In addition to capturing short-term opportunities, Bramridge Trust emphasizes long-term wealth growth. Whether you aim to diversify your investments or build passive income streams, the platform supports a variety of strategies tailored for sustainable financial development. Please note that features and bonuses are available only while the invitation link remains active. By leveraging sophisticated algorithms, the system processes vast amounts of real-time and historical market data. This ensures informed decision-making and enables the platform to remain flexible and stable, even during periods of high market volatility. Crypto investing doesn't have to be complicated. Let Bramridge Trust handle the technical side, while you focus on your financial goals and future. Register now through the link in the description and secure your welcome bonus.